this edition of 30 on 3D, we're covering the new J35 Pro. The J35 Pro rounds out the Stratasys PolyJet lineup. It's an affordable, office-friendly, compact 3D printer that packs a big punch. With multi-material capabilities, the J35 Pro lets users print detailed, accurate, grayscale concept models. With rubber-like elastico, high-impact digital ABS, and translucent materials, your prototypes will look and feel like a final part. The machine represents the ultimate in reliability, so your team can count on it to iterate and verify designs, quickly enabling you to get your products to market faster. If you're looking to step up from your maker-level printer, or if you're considering upgrading your older single-material PolyJet machine, the J35 offers an incredible value proposition. To learn more about the printer, give our team a call today.